What's up, y'all? AJ Simmons here, founder of the Clean Biz Network, where we help people start and grow cleaning companies on our whole platform. All right, it's a whole software platform, CRM, bidding calculator, all of that. Check it out, cleanbiznetwork.app. But that's not what I'm here to talk about today specifically. What I'm really here to talk about is you got the FedNow, right? Then people mentioning the Fed coin. Then you got the World coin. Then you got the UBI. You got CBDCs, all of this, right? If you don't know what none of that mean, definitely look it up on YouTube and do some research, all right? So it's like, well, what is all of this? So I'm just gonna give y'all my opinion on like what I think is coming and then what you should do about it. So while I'm not gonna go into detail on what each one of these things is, what I really wanna tell you is this, what I think the ultimate goal is for the government. I think number one, they wanna track everybody's bank account, right? And they want to have it in a way where they can give you payments in real time. They want to be able to basically like pay everybody every single month. Y'all know how everybody was getting those stimulus checks, right? And people were living it up and living their life and enjoying it, and people got lazy. So I think that was really a test run for what's really coming. And what's coming is the UBI, which is Universal Basic Income. If you follow me on Threads, then you say I made a post about it, and I was just saying how I actually posted on my community tab too on YouTube here. But what I was saying, how like what you should be doing is hustling as hard as you can, grinding and stacking and getting yourself to the point where you don't need to depend on no UBI, all right? You don't want to have to depend on those government checks, y'all. And why don't you? Well, I'm going to tell you why from my point of view is because I've been on food stamps before. I've been on government assistance before. And I'm telling you right now, it's not the place to be, because the moment you don't abide by whatever rules they say, the moment that you don't turn in a particular form by the time they tell you to turn it in, they snatch your stuff away from you. You know what I mean? The moment that you make a penny more or too much than what they tell you you can make, they take the stuff away from you, right? So at that point, if you living off government checks, they in complete control of your life. And so that's why I'm like, and that's why my post I said it's gonna be good for some people, because some people don't care, right? They're gonna go along with whatever they say. But then you got the people like me that's big on freedom, right? They're entrepreneurs of the world. And so my point to you is you have to get ahead of this thing and get out here and grind and build you a cash flowing machine to where you can get paid every single day, no matter what's going on. All right. And so what I've been doing is, if you've been watching my videos recently, I've been talking about Get Paid to Be You, which is one of my coaching programs. I've also been talking about the Cleaning Biz Automation, which is another one of my coaching programs, right? And so what I'm trying to do is, well, actually not even what I'm trying to do. What I've actually did was I decided, you know what? You can still get paid to be you if you want to, if you're not interested in the cleaning industry. But for those who are already in the cleaning industry and you don't know which one to get, well, if you get the Cleaning Biz Automation program, you will get paid to be you included with it. All right? Because the Cleaning Biz Automation, what that's going to do is this, and here's my solution for this UBI and trying to avoid it, right? Cleaning Biz Automation is going to show you how to partner with other cleaning business owners. So that way you can hire them as subcontractors. Y'all can partner together. You get the contract, they handle how it's going to get clean, right? So you basically don't touch it. But now y'all working in tandem as two entrepreneurs. Because what's going to happen is when the UBI come, ain't going to be no more jobs no more. So it's either you're going to be an entrepreneur or you're going to be a government slave. I hate to say it. You know, I hate to say it, but like you're going to have to answer to them. And so what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to show you basically like let's get it in a position to where you can work only with entrepreneurs, because the ones that's going to be the entrepreneurs, the go-getters that ain't scared to get out here and go get it on their own, is going to be the ones that live a better life, honestly. Because if you want to depend on one single check, if everybody getting $2,000 a month from the government, then $2,000 a month is going to turn into, it's going to be worth less. Anything that's common is worth less in value. So you got to find a way to be rare out here. So I would definitely say automate your cleaning business by getting in the Clean Biz Automation program, and you can go to cleanbiznetwork.app to do that. And make sure that you figure out a way to partner with other cleaning companies. All right, so that's number one. Then number two, I would say, is learn how to get paid to be you. I'm telling you, do things that I literally did, right? So when I had my cleaning business, what did I do? I wrote a book. I did YouTube so I can get paid from YouTube. So that's two income streams. I had a house and I rented it out. That was rental property. That was another income stream. Then over time, I started drop shipping, another income stream. Then another time I started selling leads, another income stream. Then over time I started just doing multiple different things on the internet that would pay me even in my sleep every single day, in addition to building my cleaning business. Now, over time, I eventually sold the cleaning business. If you know my story, then you know I sold it to my brother when he came home from prison, and because it was a franchise, and I couldn't build the cleaning business and build Clean Biz Network today, which helps people get away from franchises and own their whole contract and not be a sub under franchises, right? That's how I built it, though. I had multiple sources of income. So while I'm in the commercial cleaning industry and I'm waiting on I'm getting those checks monthly from the commercial cleaning industry, those are recurring, then I was also getting internet money at the same time. And so that's why I'm combining the Get Paid to Be You and the Cleaning Biz Automation together. Now, again, if you're not in the cleaning industry, then fine, just get Paid to Be You. Go to getpaidtobeyou.com. It's spelled with the number 2. So get paid, the number 2, BU.com. All right, I'll put the links in the comments. I'm pretty sure I messed that up, but anyway. So if you're not in the cleaning industry, go ahead and just get that program so you can learn how to do exactly what I'm doing to get paid every single day, just like I do, right? But if you are in the cleaning industry and you're ready to scale, now if you ain't started yet, I recommend that you get the Cleaning Business Starter membership. All right, so get the Cleaning Biz Starter kit. It'll give you free 1-year membership to Clean Biz Network, or you started but you're just not ready to scale yet, to just join basic Clean Biz membership. All right, you can see both memberships at cleanbiznetwork.app, but that's what I recommend. You need to, number 1, automate your business, whether it's a cleaning business or whatever type of business you got. Figure out a way to start partnering with people and stop trying to create these big companies with all of these employees, because I just don't think, and it could just be me, but I just don't see the employee model being a long-lasting model. And I think that I think the government even sees that. That's why the universal basic income is coming, because people, honestly, they don't want to work. And quite frankly, if the government can get it to a point where they can just give you checks, because you think about all this AI is coming too, a lot of these jobs are going to get canceled anyway. So for us that want to get out here and make sure we still can create a life for ourselves and have the freedom that we want, it's going to be a way for us to get it, but you just got to get out here and get creative. All right, get out here and get creative, and just like I did. You know what I mean? I built a mobile app. You know what I mean? I built a telemarketing service. I've got an e-commerce company. You know what I mean? All of these different income streams, still buying real estate, right? So find a way to diversify your income and do it in a way where most of your income streams are passive, while you also build that one main business that you're building. All right, if you want more information on that, definitely click the link in the comments. I got 2 free trainings to get Paid to Be You training if you only need that, or watch the Cleaning Biz Automation training. It's going to be a free webinar for both. Look at the comments or the description of the video. Click those links, watch those free webinars, and see if it's right for you. I think that you definitely should move forward. But even if you don't get none of my programs, take heed to what I'm saying to you, all right? You really got to find a way to get paid every day. You spend money every day, so you should be making money every day. That's what I got for y'all. I'm AJ Simmons. I'm out of here.